In this video, I will show you how to play MOV files on Windows 11. So let's jump straight into it. So here we are, as you can see on my Windows 11 desktop. Now, to go ahead and play an MOV file, of course, the first thing you're going to want to do is locate the file on your PC. So you can see here, I've got this MOV file, and to go ahead and play this on Windows 11, what you want to do once you've located the file is click onto it to highlight. Then you want to right click, and that's going to bring up a menu like this. And from here, you want to come down and hover over the open with option. So what that's going to do is display all these different programs which we can use to open this MOV file. But the one you want to use is this one here called Media Player. So you don't want to use the legacy one, just the actual newest Media Player. And if you give this a click, what it's going to do is it's going to bring up a window like this. Just go ahead and select it and then click onto just once at the bottom. And what it's going to do is actually play your MOV file. As you can see, it's playing, it's working absolutely fine. And that is how to play MOV files on Windows 11. So with that being said, I hope this quick tutorial did help you out today. And if this did help you out, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute. Thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.